Hey friends, welcome back to Mitch Asser Marketing. Today we're talking about GrooveSell. Now, there is another video on my YouTube channel which you can see on the screen right now where I do dive into the entire GrooveSell software, but this is more of an advanced look into GrooveSell. And one of the other features that I really enjoy about this particular piece of software, this checkout cart, and that is the extra tracking that is involved. But before I do dive into that, then if you do want to go through the entire software itself, then you can come and check out this video here that is entitled GrooveSell Review and Demo plus get your free account. If you still haven't got your free account, there'll be a link in the description below. Plus I'll share at the end of this video how you can get bonuses if you do decide to upgrade to the entire suite of software. But let's dive into the actual GrooveFunnels back office right now, and this is what the GrooveSell component actually looks like. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but these are all of the options that we have when we're looking to use this in our back office. But for the purpose of today, we're going to click onto funnels, and then we're going to come into tracking. So you'll be able to see here there's a few tracking pieces that I've already put together. I've been playing around with this over the last little while, and this is super important for really understanding where your sales are coming from. So you can do this for your own products that you're selling through GrooveSell, or you can do this through the Groove affiliate platform as well, so that you know that what pieces of content are actually leading to a sale. So this is important, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, because you want to create different tracking links for your different pieces of content. So if you just have one tracking link that is across all of your pieces of content, then you're not really knowing where you can spend your time, where you need to spend your time. So you don't know where your sales are coming from. You sort of have an idea that your sales are coming from, let's just say you have a YouTube tracking tracking video, but you don't know which YouTube video is actually creating that. So that's what I'm going to put down today. Is I'm going to go and start a new tracking link, and we're going to create a tracking link specifically for this video that you're watching right now. So I'm going to call this I've already got the name in my calendar here, so I'm just going to call this GrooveSell YouTube, and then I'm going to name it the name of the video. It's going to be something like that, and then I'm going to click save and next. So on this one, we then get to choose what link that we want to track. So you can use external links, so basically any link that you want to send people to. You can use your product links, so these are the funnels that you've already created within your GrooveSell account, or you can use the affiliate link, which is your affiliate links for GrooveFunnels itself, so whether that's Groove Pages or the entire GrooveFunnels suite. And you can then choose which particular funnel you want to actually track. For this one, it's going to be our GrooveSell focused product, and then we just click save and next. Now we want to track the goals. So I want to track an affiliate sale, and it's going to be GrooveFunnels and basically any product, or the GrooveFunnels product at any price point. So I don't mind if people are going into a trial, a monthly payment, an annual payment, the lifetime payment, 3 easy payments. Like, these are all the different payment options that GrooveFunnels have or have had, and I don't mind tracking that. This will track any of those. Basically, I'm just looking for someone to take out their credit card, and then once they've done that, I've done my job, and then it's up to them to make sure that they pay on time and stuff. So once we've got that, we just click add, and now this link is going to track all of those things. So coming into this next section here, you can add your tracking codes here. So I would want to track so basically I'd just put in my Google Tag Manager tracking code in there, which should house all of your tracking codes, from your Google codes to your Facebook codes, and then that will be tracked right through. You can estimate an average cost per click if you like. So this is good to send data back into the actual platform itself, so you can get a bit of an understanding of how much each cost per click is going to make you. However, if you're just beginning, it doesn't really make sense to put anything in there, because you don't really know how much it's going to make you. It only makes sense if you have maybe 3 or 6 months data, and then you can come back to all of your tracking IDs, and you can say, okay, I had 1,000 clicks and I made $10,000. So for every 1,000 clicks that you send, you'll make, what's that, like $10 or something like that. So you can then then you will be able to find your average cost per click, and you can add that in there. And then you can also add tracking IDs. Honestly, I've been trying to figure this out. It's sort of like I thought it was originally like sub IDs when you're tracking affiliate stuff, but I don't think it is. I've been trying to get the answers. Unfortunately, I don't have the answers yet. It's just a little bit too early in the piece. No one really knows, but I'll keep you updated on that as soon as that one comes through. And we just simply click save and next, and that's our tracking link. So you can take that and you can put it directly into any part of the any part of your promotions. However, I will tell you that Facebook and Google and YouTube, they're probably not going to like a tracking link like that. They never like redirect links. So what I prefer to use is pretty links. So if I just come into my WordPress site, there is a within WordPress there is a plugin that I've been really enjoying. It's free to begin with, called Pretty Links. So you can just come into Pretty Links and you can then create a specific link for your particular website. So it would look something like this: mitchasser.com/ then I would name it GrooveSell Part 2 YouTube, something like that, and then that's the one that you can use on your particular site. So final thing is just to click save and exit, and that's going to add that into here. Hopefully, eventually they'll be able to add in some more better reporting and stuff like that, which is just not in there just yet, but I imagine all of those things are to come. But that's why you can get GrooveSell for free right now. So if you haven't got your free GrooveSell account, then definitely go down and do that. This is for people who want to get access to a world-class checkout cart for free. I paid $700 for Thrivecart in the past for an agency account. Once they have all of these features working within GrooveSell, it's definitely going to be better than that. And you can check out my other video on my channel where I dive into all of the reasons why it is and why I'm so excited about this particular software. So thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this, then hit subscribe. I've got plenty more to come, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.